thank God for past me, for looking out for me. I'm just following the signs. I am in Haeundae. I did it! Good things that come out of a pretty bad time in your life. Good morning. It is 12:42 a.m. I'm sleeping in Manila tonight because I'm flying tomorrow. So welcome back to another travel vlog. I am in Busan. You are on my luggage, so please don't fall. We landed, went through immigration, etc. I am eating a sandwich that I bought in Naiya, and thank God for past me because I am super hungry. It's been 4 hours since I last ate inside the airplane, so thank God for past me, for looking out for me. So I'm eating this now. I'm not sure if I can eat inside the light rail. I have about an hour and 20 minutes ahead of me, but I'm so excited. Let's see what we get up to. There was a bit of a kerfuffle in the ATM, so there are 4 currency counters, one of which is an ATM that accepts actual cards. The other 3, you just feed cash in. All of the 3 machines wouldn't accept Philippine pesos, so a lot of Filipinos were there. A lot of us were there hoping to convert our Philippine peso cash into Korean won. It didn't work, so we all lined up into the 5th counter, which is a currency exchange counter. So that took a while, and then I had to head into Nice to See You. Bought my T-money. They didn't do any load, so that was 4,001 for a T-money. And then I sat down to eat. I was hungry. You know, you have the level of hunger where it feels like you've eaten the best meal of your life. That's how I feel right now. Yeah, I scoffed down that sandwich. Now I'm full, and now I think I have the brain capacity to figure out my way to the light rail and finally get to the hotel.
Hello, welcome to Korea.
Hello.
You can scan the QR code and pay here.
Okay, what do I get? Just that?
Yeah.
Okay.
By the color.
Oh, I'm done?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's
So
it.
and then I can pay.
Yeah.
Okay. Just spin this, yeah?
Yep.
This is what I got. I got that. Now I need to go to the light rail. Wish me luck. I'm just following the signs. I think we're at the right place. There, the Gimhae station. I have my T-money. I just need to put money in it and then purchase my ticket. Would you look at that? An olive young right outside the station. I did it. I friggin' did it. I am in Haeundae. That was a long train ride. I was almost passing out because I'm so sleepy. But you know what? I friggin' did it. I'm here. Now to figure out the way to my hotel. Okay, BRB. Okay, I am inside the room. First thing I noticed, there's a space to leave your shoes and also this shoe hook. What is this called again? I'll put it on screen when I remember. They also provided slippers in the bathroom. There is a bathtub, shampoo, body wash, mirror, an actual tub of toothpaste, and an opened soap. This is the room. I closed the windows. This is where you get the towels, the bathrobe, really small table here. I mean, it's not the best, but I'm just happy that I got a room so last minute. And it seems to be the busiest time. So yeah, I'm here. I did it. I did it. I'm back. I went out for a bit to mainly buy water and snacks. snacks. I'm working tomorrow early morning, so I need to be prepared with snacks to make sure that I don't get super hungry. While I think about food options, I found a fridge there. I do have a fridge, and when I opened it now when I arrived, I found 2 bottles of water already, so that's good. I bought 2 additional, so that's my 4 days sorted. And then I also bought these. I know that these are very popular in Korea. They are 2,500 won each for like a small packet, 40 grams. And these are almonds with flavors on them. I've got garlic bread, almond, baked corn, almond, and caramel salted almond and pretzel. I'm hoping this is more savory than sweet, but we'll see. Hello, it's me from the future editing this vlog. It has been a full month since my trip. I can't believe it has already been a month. While editing this, I was looking for a snack. I saw these exact packages and realized I haven't really eaten them yet. So I've had this already. This is the caramel salted almond and pretzel one, and I really rate this. It is very sweet. And now I'm eating this. I opened it the other way around. This one is the baked corn almond one, and this I believe is not as sweet as the pretzel one. I felt like the pretzel one was really sweet, like overwhelmingly sweet. I'm sorry that I'm talking while eating. And what's interesting about this is they have corn bits inside. You can see it. Still really good. I have the third one I have yet to try. We'll see. My main snack for tomorrow, just in case I get super hungry while working. I have this. This is a croissant. And I also saw in the lobby there is a microwave, so I'm pretty sure I can reach this tomorrow if I need to. And also, I have like 2 very close nice to see you branches, so food won't be a problem. At least I've figured that out now. So tomorrow when I'm tired and I'm working, then I won't need to figure that out anymore. This is my tea money, by the way. I wasn't really asked to choose a design. The cashier just gave me this one and asked for 4,000. Just put it back into the plastic, but I've been using it obviously. I think I need to wind down so that I can wake up early tomorrow for work. So I'll check in again tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Good night. Okay, I'm packing for Busan. I'm not typically someone who pre-plans outfits to a T. I am someone who just lays it out, put them in a hanger, and just shove them in the suitcase when I think they fit. So this is the first time, so I thought since everything in my life has changed, why not change this about myself? So I'm trying it out. It's not rocket science, it's literally clothes. I shouldn't really overthink this, but I am particularly nervous about the Latte World outfit. Apparently there's a uniform theme going around. You can go to shops to rent uniforms. I'm not going to do that, and this is what I'm trying to plan out now. Excuse the lighting, excuse my wardrobe. As you can see here, I put a collared shirt, I put a cardigan over it, and then I have this really skimpy skirt. I'm okay with it. I think I might just buy like tights because it's a little too high on the buttock side. The skirt is comfortable. It's just when no, I don't want to risk it. Okay, outfit number 2. I'm planning on spending an afternoon at the beach while my friends go to their concert. So I put on the most basic beach attire I could find, starting with jean shorts. I mean, you can never go wrong with jean shorts. Paired it with this top that I got at the market. It is see-through. I only have a bra underneath. I might switch it out for swimwear. We'll see. Outfit number 2, pretty confident about it. Okay, last outfit I'm gonna put on. I have these cream shorts. I love them. They're very comfortable. They are high-waisted, super high-waisted. Then I just have a bra top underneath. Then I have another cardigan. So I'll be wearing cardigans for both days that I'll spend time with them. I mean, yeah, it works. I look like a straight line. I might change the top. Let's see. I think that's better. Is it? Oh, now this got me overthinking. Do I not like the shorts? It might be the shorts. Now, as an overpacker, I would have packed both tops. I would have packed this and the cardigan. That's what I would have done. Am I gonna do it again though? I look fine. I'm just overthinking it. Is that better? Out of all three, this is the one that I like the most. How about green? Honestly, all 4 options fit. All 4 of them fit. They feel fine. I just can't bring all 4 of them. I need to choose one. This is what I would typically do a night before the flight. Okay, I think I've exhausted all my options, so I'm gonna have to look through all of the footage and see what I like the best, or I'm just gonna have to change the shorts completely. I can't do that. You'll see when the vlog goes up which outfit I went for in the end. Then you'll know the mental breakdown I've had a few days before. You know, I'm actually pretty glad that I did that. I guess the organization queens were right after all. See? There can be good things that come out of a pretty bad time in your life.